Hi guys, welcome to the daily live stream of the classes. We are back again. अगर आपको आवाज आ रही होगी तो yes लिख दो. And then we will start accordingly. Yes, good evening everyone. Good evening. So chalo guys, let's start. So today we are going to learn about volume. ठीक है? Volume के बाद gap up and gap down and then candlestick patterns. Okay? So what actually is a volume? So volume is nothing but the trading volume. So how many shares are bought, how many shares are sold, and volume analysis a little bit. Okay. So let's learn more about it. Let's go more deep down into the theory, what actually it is. So you can just go to the indicators section and place volume, volume. Okay. Once you place this volume, you'll see that, okay, you can directly see that this is a downtrend. Okay. Just check this out. Volume is coming down and down and down, right? See, down, 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 and then completely down. So dry हो गया volume यहाँ पर. What actually this dry volume means? A downtrend. Can you see this? Yes. What a uptrend means? So let's see this area. You can just check this out. Volume is just going up and up and up. See here. See. So it's an uptrend. So these volumes indicate you further itself that what is going to happen. Okay, and this volumes will just give you a little indication that okay, this is a uptrend, this is a downtrend, and moreover, this tell you how many shares have been bought or sold, the quantity. So for example, you just click on some candle and you can just check it out how many shares were bought or sold. So like see, it's showing right now in this candle, in this particular candle, it is showing how much? 40 million. Is it clear, guys? Volume is clear or not? Volume is nothing, but you can just check it out how many shares were bought or sold. Okay, and then you can even check out the below area where the candles are showing. If it is an uptrend, it will show you an uptrend. See, the volume is increasing, people are buying, buying, buying. The volume is decreasing, people are selling, selling, selling. So first you will see in the volume and then you see in the real market. So volume is just going down. See, down, 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 and over here you can see it's a downtrend. If it is clear, guys, write yes in the chat so I can continue. Clear, everyone, volume. Just write yes. Okay, okay. And those who want a repeat, you can just replay. There's an option in this YouTube. The option is there, replay. So just go and replay the entire segment. You will get the repeat of this session. Okay. Just go and replay. There's an option, guys. Just go and replay. Here's an option. You can just go and replay. I'll just show you. Okay, you can replay that so it will be repeated automatically. See, here's the option. You can just go and replay 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, and you can just choose. This is why we are taking on YouTube because people just spam a lot that repeat, 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 and then it is a problem to cover the syllabus. So, yeah. Any other specific doubts? How much capital we need for trading in Bank Nifty? You need at least a minimum of 5K, okay, for a very risky Bank Nifty trade, or a 50K for a safer Bank Nifty trade. 40 million is only bought or sold in that particular minute or hour or that. So anyone who has joined right now, the recordings are already sent in the group. You can watch it, okay? The quantity that shows over here, that shows in the particular minute or day or week, okay, whatever the time frame you have chosen. So it's like 1 day represents 1 day over here. You can select one candle and you can see how many shares are bought in that particular day. So okay, Now let's learn about gap up or gap down. What is gap up or gap down? So guys, in the market, when the market is closed now, there are some things that happen in the US market, European market, Singapore market, and so these reflect to the gap up and gap down. So I just show you a gap up or gap down looks like this. See, in Nifty, if I show you, check this out. On 18th, see, 15th market closed on Friday, and on Monday there was a gap up. See, you can see the gap. Why? 2 days market was closed, but US market was running, right? So this is why, okay, this is why it is a gap up. So gap up and gap down is very simple. Okay, this is why the gap up and gap down happens, because the US market is active while the Indian markets are closed on Saturdays, Sundays, or maybe the case Dow Jones will work today and Dow Jones has a crash. So tomorrow you will see a big gap down. Okay, and these gaps always get filled. So like for example, there's a gap over here. Okay, see, over here there is a gap, this filled the gap, right? So always the gap will be filled one day or one week, another week, the gap will always be filled. Here's a gap, okay? Just see this. Here's the gap are filled, right? I'll just show you, check this out. I'll just mark one by one all the gaps, and then we will see if the gaps are getting filled or not. Let's take it from this area, from this 21st of June, okay? Mohammed, you have to contact in Discord. Okay, so like for example, there's a gap. See guys, there's a gap. I'm marking it. Okay, see gap. Gap will always be filled. Gap filled. Okay, gap filled. Now let's see. There's a gap. See gap. Gap will always be filled. See gap filled. See again. There's a gap. Gap will always be filled. Half filled over here. Let's see if it gets filled over the coming time. See gap filled, guys. Yes, gap was filled. Now let's see, there's a very big gap. Gap filled or not? Gap filled. There's again a gap, small gap, gap filled. Yes, gap is filled. There's again a gap. Was the gap filled? Okay, yes, it was filled. There was again a gap. Was the gap filled? Yes, sir, it was filled. There was again a gap. Was the gap filled? Yes, sir, again it was filled. There's again a gap over here. Was the gap filled? Yes, sir, it was filled. So again, there's a gap over here. Was it filled? See? No, sir, it is not filled yet. So over the time, you can expect market will come to this level. So this is how you can trade all the gaps. Gaps are always being made to get filled. So like there's a such a big gap. See, this much gap. Gap filled or not? Yes, sir. Gap was filled over here. How many days after the gap was filled? On 9th or 10th June, there was the gap. See, 10th June, there was a gap, and gap was filled on 8th of July. See, this area. So after 1 month, gap was filled. What does it indicate? The move. It indicates the move. So for example, this is the gap. Your stock is over here. How will the gap get filled? Like this, right? सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. यहां पर आपका गैप है. कहां पर आपका गैप है? दिस इज योर गैप. ओके, द स्टॉक इज ओवर हेयर. How will you predict that the gap will get filled? Of course, it has to go like this to fill this gap. Similarly, same thing happened. The gap was over here. The stock goes up, 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 and this gap is filled. So you can predict the move accordingly. Kiran, you can get the Discord invite from Instagram where you paid. So anyone who wants to get the Discord invite or any resources, just contact the Instagram where the sales team where you paid, and my sales team will help you out. Yes, Abhishek, you have to use the gap concept for prediction itself, bro. Okay. So guys, coming to another thing, gap up, gap down. I hope it is clear to everyone, and if it is not clear, please repeat the session, replay it. ठीक है? अगर gap fill नहीं हुआ है, तो it is not filled. Again, it has chances of 90%, 90% accuracy. That you will be learning in coming future. Shriram Shrikant, I'll be teaching you how to predict the time and all. Okay, with the coming things, so you will get to know about that. Keep patience. Okay, guys. And also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe so that I'm gonna upload some public money concepts, passive income videos that is out of the course, but will really help you a lot in the future. So you'll get the notification. Subscribe and put the bell icon on. Okay. So again, you are student for the paid courses, but some things that are out of the box also I'm going to post in this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe. Now let's go to candlestick patterns. This will be a little confusing. Okay, so you have to learn this. Yes, Mohammed. Okay, guys. Candlestick pattern. These candlesticks are used for identifying trading patterns, which help the technical analyst to see the trades. Okay, these trades. Okay, just give me 1 second. The candlestick patterns are used for identifying trading patterns, which help the technical analysts to set up their trades. These candlestick patterns are used for predicting the future direction of their price movement. For predicting the future direction of their price movement. Okay. These candlestick patterns are formed by grouping two or more candlesticks in a certain way. Sometimes powerful signals can also be given by one candlestick. Okay. So let's just have a look in 1 day time frame. I'll just tell you a very easy concept. So like you can see this big green candle, okay? This big green candle. Any common sense? You can tell what will happen. See what will happen after this big green candle. Say upside or downside move, guys. Upside, right? Similarly, with the photo of the candles, with the view of these candles, we predict that the market is going to go up or the market is going to go down, right? Chalo, let's see what are the actual candlestick patterns. So this is hammer. This is hammer. Whenever this is formed, it will predict a bullish move. What is a bullish move? A upside move. So whenever this hammer is formed, it will predict a upside move. Okay. Now I'll show you the demo. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So guys, just check this out. I'll show you the same candlestick. What is this again? A hammer. Hammer is a single candlestick pattern. It makes a formation like this, a big body and a green wick. Okay. Now, what does what does this show us? That it will be bullish. It will go up. Okay. So let's just spot this now. Okay. Check this out. It was told that it will be formed in a downtrend. Okay, it was told like it will be found in a downtrend. Let's spot a downtrend. So, for example, you can see, is this a downtrend coming down, down, down? Okay, so I'll spot somewhere over here. I'll spot somewhere over here. Then you can just zoom in and you can spot the candle. Can you see a candle like this, everyone? Check this out. Is it similar to this, what we saw? Batao. Is it similar to this, what we saw? Yes or no? Yes. So what will happen now? A bullish move. Okay, let's see if a bullish move comes in or not. Okay, we spotted it over here. And does the bullish move come in, guys? See, does the bullish move come in? Check this out. We spotted it over here, and then from 14,000, it goes to 18,000. See, this is how clear a candlestick pattern will work. Okay, so this is known as hammer. Hammer is a candlestick pattern located at the bottom of a trend, okay, a downtrend, and whenever this formed, this will predict it in a big move, a bullish move. Yes, Mohammed, you can predict profit from this. Now, come to inverted hammer. A inverted hammer is also the same. It will also predict bullish move. It will also predict bullish move. Okay. At a downtrend, it will be formed and it will also predict a bullish move. Okay. And the formation you are saying, sir, this wala has the double wick. So, like, guys, what we saw was this was the candle in the photo. Okay. Right. Check this out. This is the candle in the photo. You might have a doubt. This is a candle in the photo, and what we saw in the chart was something like this. So this much is okay. You will not exactly get the ditto copy. So this much is okay. The more, the bigger the wick is, the accuracy decreases. Okay, quality decreases. So like this is, for example, a German Shepherd dog. Okay, German Shepherd dog. And this is also German Shepherd dog, but this is a mix of Labrador, a quality, right? A mix, a little mix. But we cannot say na ki this is a different dog or this is a street dog. This is also a German Shepherd dog, but a little, polluted one, not a proper pure breed. So that is the thing, a little disturbed. Okay, check this out. Little like this. Exactly, if we get something like this, then this is very strong. VS, very strong. This is not very strong, but this is strong. So you'll never get exact figures like this. You'll get something close to like this. Now let's talk about inverted hammer. Inverted hammer will tell you the same. An inverted hammer is formed at the end of a downtrend. When an inverted hammer is formed, guys, inverted hammer is the form at the end of a downtrend. Okay, and this also gives a bullish reversal. So for example, a downtrend is there and this candlestick is formed. This will give you a reversal that, okay, sir, yes, there's a reversal and this will just go up. So remember this again, you have to now start by hearting this, and the more you practice, the more clear it becomes to you. So hammer gives you a bullish move, inverted hammer gives you a bullish move. Coming to hanging man, hanging man will give you a bearish move. So whenever this is formed in red color, okay, this is just same as hammer. See, hammer is also like this. See, hammer, same as hanging man. Hanging man is just a copy but in red color. Okay, and this is at the top of a trend. This will be at a bottom of a trend. See, bottom and top. So major difference is this. Hanging man will give you what? That the stock will now go down. This will just give you more insights about the stock that is going to go down. Any doubt till now, you can ask. Now comes shooting star. Shooting star is for bearish. It is made at the upside of a trend. So whenever this is made, okay, whenever this is made, it will come down. Can you show a demo to predict using hammer? Abhi I showed. You can go and replay how you can predict a hammer. You'll see in the chart itself. See, you have to know in your mind that what actually a hammer looks like. A hammer something looks like this, okay? A hammer looks like this and a line. So you have to now spot something like this in this picture. Okay. Now can you see a hammer, everyone? Can you see a hammer? See, I'll just mark it with white color. Can you see this candle? Is it a hammer? Yes, sir, this is a hammer. This has the body. This has this down. This has this condition. It is formed in a downtrend, but it also has a small wick, but it's okay. Okay, got it? Condition satisfied. Made in a downtrend. Looks like a hammer, which is like this. Okay, see? Thor's hammer. Zara says Thor's hammer. So yeah, guys, you will be spotting it very soon. Just try to practice more and more and more, and you will be very happy with this. Okay. So inverted hammer is for bullish, hanging man is for bearish, shooting star is for bearish. Okay. And this pattern is formed when the opening and closing prices are near to each other. Okay. And again, this is all you have to simple learn. You practice more and more and more, you learn more and more and more. Just by one day, if you think that okay, everything will be in your head, no, it will not be like that. You have to learn. More practice will make you a good trader. So shooting star goes for bearish. Then we have a doji. A doji means simple, opening and closing prices are the same. It is just a time pass candle. It is just a time pass candle. So nothing happens in a doji. Okay. Nothing happens in a doji. Someone is saying show example in a hanging man. Okay. Let me show you example in a hanging man. What is the condition for hanging man, everyone? Forms at a uptrend. Uptrend is there. Hanging man is here. Okay. Check this out. This is the hanging man. And hanging man predicts a downtrend. Sorted. This is the example in Nifty. Hanging man was made. Check this candle out. I'll show you the hanging man over here. Okay. See this? Hanging man made at a uptrend at the top and then it predicts a downtrend. See, made at the top of an uptrend. Uptrend was there, guys, or not? Check this out. Uptrend made at the top, down. Simple. Again, yeah, you need to practice. Okay, there are live examples. Okay, there are live examples, and either opening and closing prices are the same. Now, for example, for this is the last example which I'm explaining. I'll just show you a doji candle. Okay, just check this out. What happens? Price goes like this, goes like this, goes like this, and then again goes like this. So it's basically opens over here, open, okay, opening price goes like this, goes down like this, closes over here. So this is what a doji is all about. Open and close are same. It is normal English, everyone. It is very normal English. Opening and closing prices are almost the same. This is also known as a time pass candle in my case. Okay, and spinning top is also the same. Spinning top and doji are equally same, but in doji, what happens is here's the opening price, here's the closing price, this is the movement, this is a very thin candle bar. Where in a spinning top you have opening price over here, see, opening price, closing price, and then up and down. So how do you make this? Okay, like this. So the body is a little bigger than this, see. Real body is a little larger than doji. Doji are completely same, but here it is not completely same. You need the PDF, it will be available in the Telegram group by today, don't worry. Yes, yes, Ganesh, it helps in any time. Crypto, forex, stock market, everything, this will help you. Okay, now spinning top doji are same. Let's go for piercing pattern. Piercing pattern, this indicates bullish move. Okay, bullish move. Closing should be more than 50% of the previous candlestick. Closing, see, this is the half of this red candle, half line, and this closing is above this 50%. See, okay, I'll just make it. This is a red candlestick. Okay. What does a piercing pattern say? Piercing pattern says when there's a green candle and it is above the half of this red candle, it is bullish. So there's a green candle. Okay. I'll just mark. There's a green candle and it is above the 50% of this red candle. See, again, I'll explain you very simple concept of this piercing pattern. एक green candle है, एक red candle है. There's a red candle, there's a green candle. Okay. Divide red candle divided by 2, 50% आ गया. And this green candle will be above the 50% of this red candle. Closing should be more than 50% of previous candle is known as piercing pattern. Doji doesn't represent anything. Hi Amrev, where we can predict whether the market will go up or down depending on the candle. Yes, Shashi Singh, yes. So this is guys piercing pattern. Here there are two candles. One is a bullish, one is a bearish. And when the bullish candle, the green one, closes above the red one, the 50% above the red one, it is a bullish. Again, the more you like it, the more you practice it, the more you see it, you realize it that yep, this was a candle. Candle patterns will change as we change the time frame. Yes, Sanjeev Singh. Guys, now we come to where piercing pattern. Okay, piercing pattern, I think we have already covered. It's doubled. So piercing pattern, it's double. So I'm just removing this. Now comes bullish engulfing. So what do you mean by engulfing? Anyone has any idea? Engulfing का मतलब क्या होता है? Suresh said it will not be a good one. You should avoid trading like that. Swallowing, right? Swallowing मतलब हिंदी में it is eating, खाना. Engulf मतलब खा लेना, swallow कर लेना. Similarly, this you can see there was a red candle telling कि भैया want to go down, I want to go down, bro. But then green candle comes in and eats this red candle and shows the next people. See, right now what you can see, guys. बताओ right now what you can see. Tell me what you can see. Market is going up or down. With this one red candle, what you can tell, up or down? Just write in the chats. With one red candle, what you can say, up or down? With one red candle, what you can say, up or down? Down, right? Now, what if I say this? What you will say, up or down? Now say up or down. Up, right? So second candle is engulfing the first candle. This is basically known as bullish engulfing. This is known as bullish engulfing. This is known as bullish engulfing. This shows a bullish move. Then whenever you see a red candle is there, a green candle bigger than the red candle at a downtrend, this is a condition guys, at a downtrend, you will instantly realize it that okay sir, it is a bullish move coming in. Similarly, morning star is just the bullish engulfing. See, a red candle and the green candle same size, and then there's a doji or the spinning top at the center. So whenever this is formed, it directly shows you a bullish move. Whenever this is formed, it directly shows you the bullish move. So the morning star is a multiple candlestick chart pattern which is formed after a downtrend, indicating bullish reversal. Indicating bullish reversal. It is made of three candlesticks, one, two, three. First being a bearish candle, this red one. Second being a spinning top or a doji. Third being a bullish candle. Okay. The first candle shows a downtrend. The second candle shows the fighting. People are fighting, no move. The third candle shows, okay, finally the firefighting has ended. It is going on an uptrend. So this is basically what the morning star is all about. Then comes three white soldiers. These three white soldiers will represent the upside move. The three white soldiers will represent the upside move. See, it is a multiple candlestick pattern that is formed after a downtrend, indicating a bullish reversal, and this will represent upside move. How upside move? I'll just show you the live example where in Nifty, I'll just show you 1 hour chart, auto, and just check this out. See, you can see so many green candles, right? See, again, these are weak white soldiers because these just not like this. These have also the wicks. One, two, three, four, five, six. So a complete green candle like this, and this will be very strong, and like this, these are very weak. Okay, so this is known as three white soldiers. Sorted, everyone? Three white soldiers. Now we come to white Marubozu candle. So white Marubozu is a single candle that indicates a bullish move. A white Marubozu is a single candle that indicates a bullish move. Okay, single candle. Here there are three candles. Black. Okay. After white, there's something known as black Marubozu. So black Marubozu is just the opposite of white Marubozu. So white will show you upside move, black will show you downside move. A single candle, a big candle. See, a big candle in the form like this. This is a big candle. See, upside move. Let's see a big red candle. Okay, see this? Big red candles, downside move. So black Marabozu, white Marabozu. Okay, then we come to again, we were in, yup, white soldiers for upside move. We have black soldiers for black crows. Okay, black crows for downside move. Yes, Shashank, yes. You want to see the recordings, you can get the links in the Telegram group. So these are three black crows, opposite of three white soldiers. Then again, we have some more patterns, of course, we have a lot of them. So I think this is clear. White soldiers, white Marabozu. White Marabozu is one candle, very strong one candle, and these are three candles. Okay. Now, three inside up. Three inside up is a multiple candlestick pattern which is formed after a downtrend. Okay, so a downtrend is there. So you'll see a red candle, and then you will see two green candles. One is a very small green candle, and then the another one is a very big green candle. So what this represents is three inside up, which means a bullish move. For white soldiers, you can just check out there are three green big candles, and you can predict that this, okay, this is the white soldiers move. And again, these have the accuracy of 70%, not 100%. 100% is nothing in stock market. It's all about the probability. Okay. Now let's come to this three inside up. It's done. It's bullish. Now we have bullish harami. Bullish harami, it is a multiple candlestick chart pattern again. Okay, it is a multiple candlestick chart pattern. Okay, it consists of two candlestick charts. The first candlestick being a tall bearish candle, and the second being a small bullish candle. The first is a tall bearish candle, see a big one, and then a green one is a small bullish candle. And this represents a upside move, which is a bullish move. And again, guys, this is all about practice. The more you practice, the more you get to learn. Tweezer bottom, it is also again bullish. The only condition is same lows. The lows should be same. So a big red candle and a green candle, but the lows should be same. The only condition over here for bullish move is the lows should be same. Okay. Now let's go to three outside up. Three outside shows bullish move. So there's a red small candle, then two big green white soldiers. Okay, two white soldiers. So two Marubozu candles and a small red candle. So this is for bullish move. And trust me, these will not work a lot because this event doesn't work for me. Till this place, tweezer bottom, bullish harami, three insider, white Marubozu, three white soldiers, morning star. This will work a lot. But coming to this, three outside up, on neck pattern, take a dark cloud cover, okay, so this will not work. So these three, four patterns, just learn that you have the knowledge. If any day, if someone asked you, bro, do you know this pattern? Yeah, I know this. This is a three outside up. Okay. Then let's come to on neck pattern. On neck pattern has the same neckline. See, the bottom of this red candle and the top of this green candle. So same neckline. The condition is same neckline of the red bottom and the green top, and then it is a bullish move. Yes, it is not tweezer bottom, Mr. Shangvan. The low should be same. Again, three outside up is repeated two times. One is here and then one again is here. So I'm leaving this because it's repeated. I'll have to remove this three outside up, three outside up. Okay. Then comes, guys, dark cloud cover. Dark cloud cover. There's a green candle and the red close must be more than 50%. The red close must be more than 50%. So this is known for a bearish move, and the complete overall scenario over these two candles is known as dark cloud cover, where it is a multiple candlestick pattern which is formed after the uptrend. Okay, it is formed after the uptrend, first condition. After the uptrend, second condition, this close must be more than 50%. I hope this is clear to everyone. Then there comes bearish engulfing. So now you know it is a bullish. Now you know, yup, this red one is eating this green one. So it is a bearish engulfing. Just like bullish mein green wala used to eat the red wala, but right now the you can say red one is eating the green one. So one first condition will be at the uptrend, formed at the uptrend. Second will be the red candlestick, the second candlestick engulfing the first candlestick. This is known as bearish engulfing. Then comes the evening star. So morning star is formed at a downtrend, but evening star is formed at a uptrend. Okay, and then you can see these candles are being formed. This green one, then the red one, and at the top there's a doji or a spinning top. So this is known as a evening star, and this will indicate the bearish move. This will indicate the bearish move. Three black crows. Three black crows is a bearish candlestick pattern. Again, I have told you already, it is just opposite of the white soldiers. Yes, yes, Sagar, you'll get the PDF. Don't worry. Today you'll get the PDF, guys. Don't worry. Three black crows, clear, guys? That again, black Marubozu candle, I have told, it is just opposite to the normal Marubozu candle. It is for the bearish and the Marubozu is for the bullish. Three inside down is for the bearish. Okay. Here a big green candle, a small red candle, and then again a very big candle. And condition will be at the uptrend, formed at the uptrend. This arrow means a condition formed at the uptrend and reverses to a downtrend. Let's come to bearish harami. So bearish harami is a multiple candlestick pattern again. इस पे दो candles होंगे. First one is a green one and second one is a red one. Where the green one is the bullish, okay, found at a uptrend. See uptrend, condition number one, okay, formed over here. The red one is a smaller one, and then a downtrend indicates a bearish harami. Then there is a tweezer top, like tweezer bottom had a same bottom. Tweezer top will have the same highs. Then there's three outside down. To be very frank, this does not work, but just for the sake of knowledge, learn this. A small green candle and two black crows. Falling three methods again does not work, but just for knowledge, a big red candle, three small green candles, and again a big red candle, that is again known for a bearish move. Rising three methods is just opposite of this falling three methods, where it is a bullish, three red candles shows the downtrend, but then again a very bullish move. So this is again overall a bullish, and this one is a bearish. Pruverte Gaming already told you how to withdraw money. You can just go to the settings option and you can just place the withdrawal accordingly. Then guys, we come to upside Tasuki gap. This is again a uptrend formed at the uptrend, a big gap, then again formed a big candle, a gap down, and again formed a red candle. This represents a bullish move. Downside Tasuki gap, a red candle found at the downtrend, then again a gap and a red candle, then again a gap and a green candle. This again represents a downtrend, a bearish move. So this all you have to learn and practice. Tasuki gap is not that important. The first 10 are very important. Ignore this Tasuki just for knowledge. You learn this. Just ignore this falling three methods, rising Tasuki just for knowledge. I'm telling you. Mat hold, again a very big gap, three downtrends, and then again a uptrend. So mat hold is just this, it indicates a bullish move. Then here we end this, okay? So yeah, again, it is a very tough to remember thing, but you need to practice more and more, and one day you'll be getting very familiar with these patterns. Now, tell me if you have any doubts, you can ask. Anyone, any doubts, you can just ask me right now. Guys, ask your doubts. I'll be more than happy to help. In intraday, what is the best time to scale for this? 5 minute, 15 minute. Is this candlestick work 100%? No, this candlesticks work 70% of the times. For every different time, there are will be different types of candlestick patterns. Which time frame should be one for standard time frame? 1 day, 15 minutes. So if you're trading in intraday, use 15 minutes. If you're trading in a short term position, use intraday for 1 day. Okay, so for example, intraday for trading a particular day, intraday, right now buying and selling after 1 hour, 2 hour, use 15 minutes. If you're going for short term, You are just doing for 2 days straight, 5 days straight, 7 days straight. Use 1 day time frame. Very confusing now. I can understand. Okay. You need to just practice more and more and more. Which trends you will like to suggest more for your students? Okay, so coming to this, just learn the basics first, and then I'll make you a proper setup. I'll make you learn a proper setup: how to buy, how to sell, when to buy, when to sell. Gap fill happens on the same month, or how exactly it takes? Gap fill can happen anytime. Okay, this is not under my control. It can just happen anytime. You need to be active, and you need to just guess the right one. Minimum amount to trade any company, 500 rupees is the minimum, I think so. It depends on the shares. Yes Bank is 13 rupees. You can buy at 13 and sell at 13. Again, it will only require 13 rupees. But you want to buy Reliance Industries, you should have at least 2500 rupees in your bank account or in your demat account. Is the fires application that is shown in the classes? Yes. The trading view chart is the same in the fires. So I'll make sure guys you have opened the account in fires, because we don't provide any live trading sessions, and for the people who are trading in fires we might provide a free session to you all. So bust make sure you have opened your account, because any day live trading session, only those who are will be invited, those who have opened the fires account. Yes, Sagar Bali, that will be available post the session itself. Okay, I'm doing this right now itself just because of you are saying. So, okay, the PDF goes right now itself. Okay, Telegram, and here it goes. I didn't get any update or link Zoom. To I subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon. I didn't get any notification. Ganesh, right now you'll not get, because this is a private video. This is only for the students who have officially paid us. This is not for the free people, right? So you'll not get a notification for a paid channel. You'll get the notification in Telegram. But whenever I'm uploading a free video, you'll get the notification on your YouTube, because you have subscribed as a free member. So that's the difference. Thanks. Today's session was a bit confusing but helpful. Okay, no worries. Taking example in Nifty 50, these are also true for individual companies. I didn't get you, Abhishek. Please ask again. Please brief the doubt. Upload your interview video. Mohammed Ismail, yes, my interview video will be available soon. Don't worry, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining in. I'll see for the doubts. Long term, day, week, or month, which one to follow? It depends on you. It depends on you. Once you have traded, or once you have, for example, trading intraday, then you should go for a daily time frame, or 4 hours or 15 minutes for your using weekly or monthly time frame. Then it's a long term or short term, not intraday. You can start trading from tomorrow. Even batch 12 students have started making 1 lakh rupees a day. I can send you the screenshot. I don't know why you guys are not following. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. See you all tomorrow. The recordings will be available post tomorrow, 10 o'clock, and the PDF will be available today itself. Yes, charts are true for individual company, Abhishek. Anywhere you can find only one chart. Ganesh, you'll get the request accepted. I think it's accepted only. So thank you so much for guys for joining. See you all. Bye bye.